If you are really interested in studying intellectual property law or you want to make a career out of it, then I have great news for you because NLU Delhi has launched their new program in intellectual property law, which we will be discussing in today's video. Hi guys, I'm Ayushi, your legal mentor, and welcome to Law Digest. So here, as you can see on the screen, NLU Delhi has launched its new program, which is called Joint Masters or LLM in Intellectual Property Law and Management. So briefly, I'm going to go through the program structure and explain you what are the details, what are the requirements of this program. Let's move ahead with understanding the programs. Now, basically, we're all aware about how well established NLU Delhi is as an institution. Now, this program is being done in two tracks. That is, either you can do an LLM or you can do a master's in intellectual property law and management. So that is how your degree is divided. It depends. It's a 1 year program. It depends whatever you want to choose. We will further move on to eligibility so that you can understand what suits better to you as the case may be. Now, the best part is that it's not just NLU Delhi that has designed the curriculum of this program. It also involves great institutions like WIPO, that is World Intellectual Property Organization, we are all aware of. And apart from that, there is also involvement from the Indian IP office, as you can see here. So, three bodies have come together to collectively give you this program. So, obviously, it is apparent that the curriculum has been designed with a lot of precision. Speaking of academic faculty, if you will see the names here and you will see their designations, will find that it's not just the faculty that's in India, it's global faculty that is involved, that has come together to teach you this program. There is guest faculty also. For the curriculum details, you can refer to this prospectus. I'll provide a link of the same in the description of the video so that you can go and in detail check the curriculum, how it has been designed. Now let us have a look at the application for admission because this part is really important. The application for this program opened on 21st of March and it closes down on 10th of June. So you need to hurry up in case you're an Indian national. For foreign national, it's open up till 28th of June. Now here, what is the eligibility criteria? If you are an LLB graduate, you've completed your LLB, then it's imperative that you do an LLM Masters in Intellectual Property Law from a recognized university, obviously. Then looking at the eligibility criteria for persons who are not law graduates. However, if you want to pursue Master of Arts in IPR law, then what is required out of you? Either you should have completed two bachelor's degrees in succession, that is one after the other, or you have an integrated degree program of 5 years in the relevant discipline, or you have a postgraduate degree in any discipline it may be from a recognized university, or you are a candidate who's completing a 4 year bachelor's program with honors or research from a recognized university. So these are your two options for this particular program. Now, apart from this, you are also required to meet some minimum percentage criteria, which is minimum 55% marks in case you are from the general category, and people who are from the reserved categories like SCSTs and PWDs, you need to have 50% marks. Now, here, apart from this eligibility criteria, what they have is an entrance test that you need to qualify for this examination. If you will see here, your entrance test will carry a weightage of 70% marks. So it is important that you prepare well for the entrance test. Apart from the entrance test, you have to give a written personal statement, which should comprise of 15% of the whole marks, and interview again, which is again 15% of marks. Now, this entrance test is to be taken by people who are Indian nationals or who are officials of the CGPDTM. Now, this entrance, it is not necessary for foreign nationals. For them, what is the entry requirement? That instead of your written test, this entrance test, your academic record will be checked, plus your scores of IELTS or TOEFL will be used. Then so for your written statement, it has to be minimum 500. So it ranges between 500 to 700 words that you need to give. And apart from that, your interview is there. Speaking of the application fees, if you would see here, total 2000 rupees will be required for the application by the Indian nationals, and people who are not from India, who are foreign nationals, they need to give 3000 rupees as the application fees. Important dates you have to keep in mind that 10th June, the applications are getting over in case you're an Indian national, and here you have been given your date of the entrance test, that is the end of this month, 30th of June. So you need to be well prepared for the examination, and your program will start on 16th of August. Now, they've clearly said that for more details on the test, you can visit the National Law University website. So, for ease, let me just take you directly to the place where the written test scheme is given. If you are appearing through the non law graduate criteria, then you need to give your examination based on English, analytical and logical reasoning, and IPR rights, that is, non legal parts of it, will be checked here. And for people who are applying for LLM, your English, legal reasoning, and obviously IPR law will be checked here. There will be approximately of around 100 MCQs that will be there in the paper, carrying 1 mark each, and you will get 2 hours for the same to solve the paper. There will be negative marking, which is one-fourth will be deducted for every wrong answer. So you have to be very careful and accurate while attempting the test. Now, moving on to the venue and language, these details that are given here. The program is a 1 year duration. It starts on 16th of August, ends in July next year. Language, the examination will be, the course will be taught in English. It will be, the classes will be conducted at the NLU Delhi premises itself. Um, then they've said that hostel accommodation they might not be able to provide to you because obviously their regular programs are going on. Then National Law University will be granting you the degree certificate here in this program. And let us come on to the tuition fees, which holds a lot of relevance in everybody's life. For Indians, you need to pay approximately 4,15,595 rupees. That's your per annum fees. And in case you have any further doubts or any clarifications that you need, these are the details of the program coordinators that have been mentioned on the website. So you can reach out here. If you want to ask anything out of me, then you can mention the same in the comment box and I'll get back to you. So this opportunity is available to you up till 10th of June. So in case you're interested, then you must apply for this program. And also make sure that for more such videos and updates, you keep following us here as well as on Instagram.